cute moss wall art for home offices. This cozy workspace blends productivity with nature, thanks to the vibrant moss art that brings the wall to life. A serene home office where earthy textures and soft lighting make working feel like a walk in the woods. With rich tones and a variety of textures, this corner feels like a modern forest retreat made for focus. Bold and geometric, this moss wall design adds a creative punch to an otherwise minimalist workspace. A sleek and modern desk setup made warmer and more inviting by a lush, 3-panel moss installation. Natural curves and greenery flow across the wall like a landscape painting, turning this office into a calming oasis. Organic swirls and rich greens make this office feel like it's carved into a vibrant hillside. This bright and balanced workspace pops with soft textures and a vertical garden-style centerpiece. Playful and artistic, this setup feels like a miniature moss universe designed to spark inspiration. Warm light, gentle neutrals, and botanical textures create a peaceful nook perfect for deep focus. Which wall art captured your attention? Let us know in the comments.